Hey everyone, Game Paperclip here, and today we'll be playing some Fortnite. I got the battle pass, by the way. Tier 33. Alright. Drop right down here. We'll go next to Tilted. Let's go to Shifty. Take a rest. Right here. Ah, hello. New gun. Guy up here. Don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, darn it! All right. See you guys when I'm in the next match. All right. Let's go. Ah! Gotcha. Alright, on to the battle pass we go. Where am I dropping? Doesn't hurt to try. That's Biggie. Plus, I like the quad crasher. There's one here. Some people say that landing in flush means you're, like, bad at the game or whatever, so I don't really care. I can land wherever I want to land. I'm definitely not landing there, though. Seriously? Final stage. Oh my god, what even happened? I'd like to see you. Oh my gosh. Darn it. Alright. Yep, that's right. More loading screens than there are gameplay. Ooh. What'd I do? Oh, yay, V-Bucks. Oh my goodness, what'd I do? Oh. Completed week 1. This. That's just great. I like my DJ Anders better. Let's go. I'm so close to this one, too. You gonna do something? No, better idea. I'll throw a tomato at you. Oh, I got him. Haha. Yay! London risky. Nah, I'm not being risky. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna land over there. I hope you guys like this. It's kind of different. I don't usually do Fortnite, so this is new. Man, lots of people. That's a good start, I guess. Man, is it loud? Oh, that's this. Oh, I got myself a weapon. Ooh. Darn it, that guy has a new skin too. Well, I did better than I did last time. Well, that does it for this video. See you guys next time. Game Paperclip out.